Imagine a computer system that can diagnose a terminal illness way more accurately than the absolute best human doctors. Or, a machine that whips up stunning, photorealistic art in seconds. Or an AI flawlessly navigating a massive truck through chaotic city traffic without anyone even touching the steering wheel. Just a few short years ago, that was pure sci-fi. Today, it's our reality. And it's powered by something that feels almost like magic: deep learning. But hey, as a futurist, I gotta ask, while this tech is undeniably miraculous, how exactly are we auditing its long-term impact on human safety? Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're doing a rigorous safety audit of tomorrow's intelligence, right here, right now.
Okay, let's dive into this. We are honestly staring down the most profound question of our century. When we talk about advanced deep learning, we're not just talking about some routine software update. We are literally engineering the future of intelligence itself. Are we inadvertently building our own successors, or are we meticulously crafting the ultimate tools to ensure our long-term survival? To figure that out, we need a comprehensive ethical review of today's cutting-edge tech. We need to pop the hood and examine the actual safety guardrails protecting humanity. So here's our roadmap for This Explainer. We'll start with the deep learning foundation, then move into safeguarding health and transit, autonomous robotics, and creativity and cybersecurity. Then we'll look off-world at space exploration before finally confronting the AGI horizon. We're going to evaluate every single one of these incredible sectors against the strict security protocols and ethical frameworks we absolutely need to protect human interests.
Section 1, the deep learning foundation. Let's establish the bedrock of this revolution. Before we can audit the safety of a skyscraper, we've got to understand the concrete it's built on, right? Deep learning has officially broken out of quiet university labs and is now baked into the very infrastructure of our daily lives. It runs on advanced neural networks, but utilizing incredibly powerful GPUs, graphics processing units. These networks crunch unimaginably massive data sets at lightning speed. This fundamental shift is exactly why deep learning completely crushes traditional machine learning. It's the bedrock. But as we hand over massive amounts of data, our medical records, our driving habits, financial data, understanding these core mechanics is absolutely essential before we can judge the societal implications. Section 2, safeguarding health and transit. This is where things get really real. Because this is where AI leaves the theoretical realm and jumps into high-stakes life and death applications. We have to ask, how does deep learning prioritize our well-being when the margin for error is literally zero? Well, think in the thousands. Modern deep learning models can analyze thousands of complex medical images, from detailed brain scans to microscopic tissue samples looking for lung cancer, in mere seconds. Think about our human limits for a second. Even the most brilliant, highly caffeinated specialist in the world can't process thousands of images in 1 second. By leveraging that insane computational speed, AI systems catch early disease markers that the human eye might easily miss. And this brilliantly illustrates the massive paradigm shift we're currently in. On one side, traditional medical diagnosis is naturally limited by human fatigue, time, and resources. On the other side, you've got AI medical systems hitting specialists-level accuracy basically instantly. By drastically lowering healthcare costs and fundamentally improving patient outcomes, these systems are essentially acting as a giant safety net for humanity. But the ethical mandate here? Making sure this instant accuracy is equally accessible to everyone and not just a luxury. Now look at the high-stakes timeline of autonomous vehicles. A single millisecond. That is all a self-driving car's neural network needs to process sensor fusion data from its cameras, radar, and LiDAR. In exactly 1 second, it predicts complex pedestrian movements, traffic patterns, and sudden hazards. And the 10-year projection? A dramatic reduction in worldwide traffic accidents. The guiding safety principles built directly into this software are explicitly designed to avoid danger, calculating risk at a speed our human reflexes simply cannot match. Section 3, autonomous robotics. Let's move from software over to hardware. We're transitioning AI out of the cloud and giving it a physical body in our tangible world, from complex industrial automation to highly advanced humanoid robots. So how do they learn to operate safely around us? It's a process called reinforcement learning, and it works in 3 steps. Step 1, the robot attempts a physical task. Step 2, it inevitably fails, but mathematically processes that experience. Step 3, through relentless, nonstop trial and error, it eventually masters walking, running, grasping objects, the whole shebang. This is how robots transition safely from isolated warehouses into incredibly unpredictable environments like disaster recovery zones. Which leads me to this really provocative question.
As these robots learn to solve unfamiliar problems right alongside us, what ethical frameworks are going to govern their human interactions? Imagine a humanoid robot assisting in a crowded, chaotic hospital ward, or operating heavy machinery on a construction site. The physical safety guardrails we're programming into these machines today will completely dictate how successfully and safely humans and robots will coexist tomorrow.
Section 4. Creativity and Cybersecurity. Time to dive back into the digital realm.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the fascinating dual edge of deep learning. On one hand, generative AI wields explosive power. It creates photorealistic media, composes original professional music, writes entire books. It is totally transforming the creative industry. But because that exact same tech can be used maliciously, our cyber defense has to use deep learning to instantly detect unusual behavior, stop sophisticated fraud, and prevent malware. We were literally using AI to defend against AI. It's wild.
You can think of the new digital landscape like a delicate pie. Content creation definitely gets all the flashy headlines, but those other slices, threat detection, fraud prevention, and network analysis, those are what actually keep society functioning. As our global digital infrastructure scales up and cyber attacks become heavily automated and sophisticated, AI-driven cybersecurity is no longer optional. It is strictly essential. Stringent deep learning security protocols are quite literally the only things capable of protecting our sensitive data from autonomous threats. Section 5. Space Exploration. Let's shift our focus entirely off-world. In the context of a futurist safety audit, we have to look at how AI autonomy serves as a vital backup plan to safeguard humanity's long-term future among the stars. When you're out in deep space, extreme communication delays make real-time remote control from Earth completely impossible. Autonomous spacecraft have to navigate entire planets independently. They analyze alien terrain, discover critical resources, and execute complex deep space navigation without any human input. These deep learning systems are forced to make mission-critical decisions independently, ensuring the mission survives when mission control is literal light years away. That deep space independence is absolutely required to expand humanity beyond Earth, protecting our future interests through autonomous decision-making. And this connects directly back to our core safety audit. If we ever face an existential threat here on Earth, our ability to expand outward depends entirely on AI systems capable of doing the heavy lifting in environments that are super hostile to human life. Off-world AI is arguably the ultimate security protocol for our long-term survival. Section 6. The AGI Horizon. This is the big one. We are moving past specialized tools and entering the realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and the benchmarks here are staggering. A system capable of learning any concept entirely, much like a human child, solving totally unfamiliar problems without prior specific training, adapting independently to wildly dynamic environments. The exact path to AGI remains uncertain, but the progress is accelerating rapidly. We're talking about human-level machine reasoning. And while it is completely awe-inspiring, from a safety perspective, it requires extreme caution and foolproof containment protocols. So, the crucial point is summarized perfectly by this quote from our sources. The question is no longer whether AI will change the world, but how we choose to use it. The future of intelligence is already being built. Deep learning is at the center of it all, transforming the impossible into reality across healthcare, transit, and space. But the intentionality behind its application, choosing safety, ethics, and human preservation, that part is entirely up to us. Which leaves us with this final, lingering thought. As progress accelerates at this breakneck pace, are our ethical frameworks truly ready for the leap to artificial general intelligence? We've audited the incredible potential and the stringent safety protocols of today, but that horizon is approaching fast. I challenge you to look at the systems we rely on every day and ask yourself, is humanity truly prepared for the future we are engineering? Keep questioning, keep learning, and hey, thank you for joining me for this explainer.